Hello. In this video, we demonstrate how to generate tests by interleaving stories. We will use the Storylines DSL and the Selenium library to develop a set of tests for Magento. If you are not familiar with these concepts, you are welcome to view the introductory video we have prepared. One of the main causes for error in multi-session systems is race conditions. Here, the top left figure depicts two simple linear user stories that run in parallel. As shown on the bottom right, testers can use Provengo to automatically generate all the orders of executing these stories. But things may get interesting. Parallel session may interact. Imagine, for example, that a business owner tells us that we are not allowed to do lowercase b after an uppercase A. We now have to be more careful with our test plan. With Provengo, users can just specify the stories, and the tool automatically interleaves them in all possible ways. The first two boxes describe the linear stories, and the third one describes the requirement that lowercase b does not happen after an uppercase A. Note that the stories are described separately in order to keep the model simple. This also caters for easy maintenance. Our first test of the Magento store is similar to the example we have just seen. We define an array containing properties of two users. Then, we loop over it to create two similar stories. Each story specifies a linear sequence of events for login, then add to cart, then checkout for one of the users. As before, the tool automatically interleaves the stories to generate a test plan for the online store. We can now unleash the power of block and wait for. This specification tests the store with multiple sessions. In some sessions it runs a story of a user that adds items to a cart. In another session it runs a checkout story. A separate story specifies that we cannot check out before the first add to cart action. The details of this example are explained in the documentation of the Provengo tool.